Hi. When someone sneezes near you, you suddenly say, bless you. It's a common habit and it's an automatic reaction when you hear a sneeze. But according to new study, when a person sneezes near you, your first priority should be to away from that person before you offer any blessing. Why? Because contagious germs can spread much faster and further than you think. University from Bristol, a researcher from the University at Bristol assessed the airborne survival of so many bacteria and viruses in aerosol droplets from cough and sneezes. And they found that the average speed of your droplet can send around 100,000 of contagious germs into the air at speed of 100 miles per hour. So now you can imagine how infectious, how dangerous a droplet can be. And one more last thing, that the penetration of a droplet into your lungs depends on the size of the droplet. Much smaller droplet can penetrate much deeper into your lungs. So from now, whenever you hear a sneeze from a nearby person, you should be back away from the person instead of offering a blessing. So take care, goodbye, thanks.